Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and I just got a little something in the mail today. A little, something for the room. So let me unbox it and show you what I got. So as you guys know, we have our herbal medicines here, and this herbal medicine was handed down through generations of Native Americans. So I thought I'd get a little Native American spiritual protection for the ladies in the 5x5. So let me pull this baby out of the box and show you my spirit warrior I got. We got a couple other spirit warriors coming as well, because we do need some good protection in our gardens. So let's start off by seeing what we got right here on top, which is a little piece of the puzzle. Let me grab this out of here. Okay, so there you go. Every warrior needs his weapon, right? So there is the staff for the warrior. Oh, and there he is. There's our warrior chief. Nice. Let me get him out of his bag here. So there he is. That is our warrior chief here. So we'll go ahead and we'll put his staff in here. Alright, because he's got to have his spear. Alright, nice. So check him out. He's pretty dope. He's got his peace pipe here, as you can see. So nice. We got a nice Indian warrior chief to watch over the girls. He'll be puffing a little while watching the ladies. And then, he won't be alone, because we keep it well outfitted here. We got another brother smoking over here in the corner. Unfortunately, he suffered a little bit of battle wounds on his way to the garden. But that's okay, because you know what? All he needs is 2 arms to kick ass, right? Right, Chief? Right. That's what I was talking about. So yeah, take one more gander over here. The warrior chief. He's sick. He's way better than I thought he was gonna be. So I have a couple other ones coming too. Because you know what? We're gonna protect. And the other tents need some too. But with that, guys, make sure you got protection out in your garden. As you guys know, I am the general of the Gnome Army. So I need lots of warriors, and I'm always recruiting from every nation, every color, every creed. There's nobody who isn't welcome in the nation of Gnome. Go Gnome Nation, stay Gnome strong, Gnome up, be a part of the Gnome Army. And with that, guys, remember to always keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, right, Chief? Right.